you. 'Cause it's pointless and irrational to let it hurt, making me feel like I know, yeah. 'Cause you make a person feel their best when you're around. Feel I'm not asking for much, just wanna know if we'd work. It's getting harder to see why I am waiting for you. Don't wanna say your name, knowing it will replace how I feel about all other people. There's nothing I can change, this is what I am.